Hello you guys, today we're talking about illumination of instrument panel. Patrick's garage. How to fix illumination if it not works. Now we need to take out our Rheostat from car for repair. It's snowing today. And let's look where is situated our dimmer for instrument light. On the left lower corner, right here. Snow gets into the car again. Let's check dimming switch. Turning the knob. Not respond. So we have make sure that it doesn't work. And now it's time to pull out it from the dashboard. And to get working access, we need disconnect steel clips with fixing lower plastic trim. We can see what's behind the instrument panel. But we know that there is only one securing screw there. And we know that for this we need Phillips screwdriver. I unscrewed this fixing screw. Screw head little rusty. And let's try to pull it off. Pull the switch back, and at the same time we pull the knob forward. We need to disconnect two terminals behind, and at the same time disconnect knob. We can't see anything there, but we can touch it with our fingers. Only two clamps can jam in it. I don't like any of that crap myself. I suppose we probably need to clean it. Maybe it will continue to work after that. Is it possible? Yes, it is. Anyway, I have done that at once with another one. Without light, we can't see all the instrumentation at the evening, at the night. Only one screw fixed this rheostat, but alas, a lot of dirt inside. We need to clean it. Let's strip reset knob here. Illumination heater control. 3 bulb here. Temperature, defrost and flow. Now let's go to clearly see in which condition our rheostat. And before moving forward with this rheostat, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit that notification bell. We know that voltage, current and resistance are interdependent. Let's try to remember Ohm's law. And let's look which way we can manual control dimming on the dashboard by lowering or raising the resistance. This completely explainable. By the Ohm's law, current is inversely proportional to resistance for a given voltage. As the voltage in the circuit increases, the current will increase, provided that the resistance stays the same. This formula to find current and this formula to find resistance. Can you guess what happens if we increase the resistance? Yes, of course, if the resistance goes up, the current will go down if the voltage is held constant. And when the resistance decreases, current is increases. So in our case, it is enough to know if the resistance goes up, the current will go down and vice versa. And so let's look how to make sure that the rheostat wrong. And for this I hooked 12 volts. On the wiring diagram we see these two bulbs for the illumination of the instrument panel, and this is 3 light bulbs for the illumination of a heater control. Here we see a rheostat. It feeds, these lamps feeds from the gray wire, which goes through the rheostat for these lamps, and also gray wire to the earth. I'm gonna try to connect two contacts of Rheostat. Right here you see these rusty contacts, a lot of rust inside Rheostat. And we see illumination works. Light goes out from lamps, and we see light bulbs works perfectly fine. And this means absolutely true that Rheostat wrong. So we need to clean Rheostat for continue enjoying this light on their car. Before start cleaning, we need to consider possible wrongs. Maybe rusty contacts, maybe cracks glue which fixed the resistive element fixed with glue inside. Alcohol cleans rusty contacts very well. These movable contacts should be clean. Be careful with cleaning resistive element because some glue inside can easily be damaged. Temperature resistant glue inside. Glue not be destroyed inside. Not use too much alcohol. Now cleanliness enough and we continue to clean moving contact. Alcohol on the surface dries very quickly. Maybe with carefulness we can use a screwdriver for cleaning. Now we see glue inside resistive element. It fixed resistive element to the body of Rheostat. And now it's time to assembling. Remember about springs. Not can be works without springs. Install all parts in its correct place. Bend clips. Rotates very well. And maybe let's check it. Only one lamp, but these Rheostat for 5 lamps at the one time. Turning the knob, we can increases or dims the lighting. And now we can consider that our variable resistor works perfectly fine. So let's install our switch dimming. We need to put it in correct position. One screw for securing for the instrument panel. Not a big deal if we know where it should be fit. Only after installation of resistor we can install knob. And now you can see Rheostat, our so-called variable resistor if you want. Now we need Phillips screwdriver for securing screw for fixation. My Phillips screwdriver is so big and I can use only a small slot screwdriver. Okay, securing screw in its correct place. Now it's time for knob. Let's install it. We can turning it clockwise or anti-clockwise. And now we can see that our variable resistor works. We see illumination green, and illumination of course should be here, heater control, and speedometer with green light. Now we can adjust desirable light. We can dim or increase light on the instrument panel now. But let's wait for the evening. And let's see how illumination works. Switch stained glass and our dimming. And what we see, only light bulb works. A left lamp on the instrument panel not lighting. Heater control lights works. We need replacing one lamp. Not a big deal if we know where it should be. Here you see old lamp. I don't know from which manufacturer this lamp. This lamp not can be worked, and we install for its place Philips lamp Germany in perfect condition. Not a big deal. And let's look how it works. All 5 lamps lighting. We can control lighting. Now you see how it very simple to fix. Do you like late or early type of instrument panel? Please let me know in the comments. So if you enjoy this content, go ahead and share it with someone that could really benefit from it. Thanks for watching.